Hi, are you a photographer, videographer, illustrator, or simply have a collection of images and videos? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start selling your content on one of the best online platforms and earn a 33% royalty on every file you sell. Welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through everything from creating your account to submitting your first file to start selling your content, including how to handle AI-generated content before submitting it for review. To begin, navigate to Adobe Stock using the link provided in the video description or the comments section. Once you arrive, click on Sell at the top right of the homepage. This will take you to the Adobe Stock Contributor website, where you'll see this page. After uploading your files, you'll be on the contributor homepage like this. To become an Adobe Stock Contributor and start selling your content, you must be at least 18 years old. Additionally, you must either be the sole owner of every file you upload or have permission from the owner to sell it. You can sell videos, vectors, and illustrations. Currently, Adobe Stock accepts AI-generated content, although this policy may change in the future. If you're watching the video later, you will earn a 33% royalty on each file you sell on Adobe Stock. This means you will receive 33% of the total purchase price for each file. Next, if you already have an Adobe account and wish to register with it, click on Link My Adobe ID. Alternatively, you can click Join Now to sign up for a new account. You have three options to sign up: using your Gmail account, your Facebook account, or by registering with an email and password. I will register using email and password. Enter your email address in the provided field and your password in the field below. Then, click on the Continue button. In this section, fill in your personal information. Start by entering your first name, then your last name. Next, select your birth month and enter your birth year. Active this checkbox if you want Adobe to contact you via the email you register with, or leave it unchecked if you prefer not to be contacted. Once you've made your selections, click on the Create Account button. Next, you'll need to confirm your email. Open your email inbox and look for a message titled Welcome to Adobe. Once you open it, either click on the link provided or copy it and return to the window where you logged into your Adobe account. Then, paste it into the address bar of your browser and press Enter to complete the confirmation process. Now that your email is verified, click the Continue button. Next, you can either go to Account Settings to add your phone number or click the back arrow twice to return to the previous page. You'll be prompted to add your phone number as an extra security measure. Simply click Add Mobile Phone Number. Now, enter your mobile phone number in the provided field and click the Add button. A code will be sent to your phone. Enter that code in the field provided, then click the Confirm button. You can click on Turn On if you want to receive security alerts, or select Not Now if you prefer not to. Next, go to the Adobe Stock Contributor window and refresh your page. Whenever loads, click on Complete Profile. This will take you to the Contributor Account Settings. If you want to add your address, click on this icon and fill in your information. After that, you'll have the option to fill in your tax information. If you'd like a video tutorial on how to complete the tax information, please let me know in the comments. But remember, this step is not required to start selling right now, but it is required in the future. For the name that is displayed to people on Adobe Stock, you can change it. In the Account section, click on this icon. Edit the display name as desired, and then click Save Changes. Now, let's move on to the next step: uploading files. In the top left of the homepage, click on Uploaded Files. You have two methods to upload your files. First, open the folder on your computer where your files are located, then select and drag and drop them into this area. The upload process will begin automatically. Alternatively, click on Upload in the top right of the page, then click Browse. This will open a window on your computer. Choose your file and click the Upload button to start the process. You can monitor the file processing and upload status here. Once processing is complete, your files will appear here. You can select any file you want to submit for review. On the right side of the screen, you'll be able to set all the necessary file information before submitting it for review. First, check the file type. It should automatically match your file type. If it doesn't, click here and change it accordingly. And the file category works similarly. it should automatically match your file type, but if it doesn't, click here to change it accordingly. Here, you can set your file language according to your file title and keywords if they are not in English. Next, if your file is AI generated, you have an option to activate a specific checkbox. Click on All Requirements to review the criteria for AI-generated content before submitting your file. There's also an option labeled People and Property or Fictional. If your file features only completely imaginary people or property, check this option to indicate that they're not based on any real, recognizable subjects. However, if someone or something in your file can be identified as a real person or place, do not check the box. In that case, you need to provide a model or property release to show you have permission to use that likeness. Likewise, you'll see another option for model or property releases. Click Yes if your file requires one, or No if it doesn't. Next, in this field, you can write your file title. The site will offer a few suggested titles, and you can choose any one of these suggestions if you wish. And here we have the Keywords field. In this field, type your keywords, making sure to place a comma after each one. The site will also suggest keywords for you. You can click on any suggested keyword to add it, or click Add All to include all the suggestions. If you want to remove a keyword, simply click on it. Additionally, if you'd like to rearrange your keywords, click the Reordering tool button. Then see Keywords Remaining. This will display all your keywords, and you can click and hold to drag any keyword to a new position, or click the X to remove it. Feel free to reorder the keywords until they best reflect your file. Now your file is ready to be submitted for review. Click the Submit File button in the top right corner. Check the boxes to agree to the terms and conditions, then click Continue. Select all the images requested by the site, then click Verify. If any image appears, simply write a short explanation in the field provided and click Verify. Finally, click the Submit button to send your file for review. Now, your file will appear in the In Review section. If any edits are required, you'll see them in the Reminder section. And if your file is rejected, it will show up in the Not Accepted section. Additionally, any model or property releases you need to add will be found in the Releases section, where you can click Create a Release in the top right corner to create any release. That wraps up our Adobe Stock Contributor tutorial. Today, we covered everything from scratch so you can start selling your content on Adobe Stock and earning 33% royalties on each file sold. I hope this clear, step-by-step guide was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button, follow or subscribe for more tutorials, and leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and best of luck. Peace.